Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 248 horsepower and 251 pounds of torque. This one does have the sports package with a sports exterior and interior look. 17-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Black MB Tex interior with a burl walnut trim. Sunroof. Spoiler. C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate. Set up all season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Memory seats, power windows, Harman Kardon sound system, steering wheel controls, media display. We got a hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, turn wheel for our infotainment center. This C-Class has 65,740 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.